TruShot with Why Not is CONMED's all-in-one soft tissue fixation system for small joint procedures. With a drill bit, anchor, and attached needles preloaded into a disposable drill guide, just open the package and go. The all-in-one system is quick and easy to use for optimal anchor placement and insertion during every repair. Building on the success of CONMED's Why Not all-suture anchor technology, the TruShot family consists of 4 configurations. The non-shallow TruShot with Why Not configurations are loaded with No. 2 hi-fi suture for additional strength and are available in a 1.3 mm single-loaded or a 1.8 mm double-loaded anchor configuration. The TruShot with Why Not 1.3 with No. 2 suture recorded 243 newtons during load-to-failure testing, and the TruShot with Why Not 1.8 with No. 2 suture recorded 422 newtons. The TruShot with Why Not shallow configurations are single-loaded with No. 2.0 or No. 0 hi-fi suture and are available in a 1.7 mm anchor. The suture anchor is woven in such a way that when tension is applied to the suture limbs by the deployment trigger, the anchor is reduced toward the bottom of the tunnel, forcing lateral expansion of the anchor. Specifically designed for small bones with limited real estate, this unique deployment mechanism features a 10 mm tunnel depth. The TruShot with Why Not shallow with No. 2.0 suture recorded 90 newtons during load-to-failure testing, and the TruShot with Why Not shallow with No. 0 suture recorded 152 newtons. All TruShot devices feature a crown-tip drill guide to ensure maximum grip on the bone surface during anchor placement. The small all-suture anchors offer minimal bone removal without sacrificing fixation strength, so you can be confident in your repair. To schedule a demonstration, contact your local sales representative. CONMED. Imagine what we could do together.